Hi, good morning all. This is a cactus variety creeper. கள்ளி கள்ளி வகை கொடி in Tamil. We call it perandai. Perandai in Tamil. It is like this. This is called Ganasvel in Marathi. It is a square stalked vine. Okay. Astibanga ya Hadjod in Hindi. It is traditionally used for improving bone health, relieving indigestion, even constipation, flatulence, and sprains. சுளுக்கு, வாயு தொல்லை, எலும்பு சம்பந்தமான சிகிச்சைக்கு உதவியா அண்டு சரியாக மலச்சிக்கல் அது மாதிரி இதுக்கெல்லாம் இது யூஸ் ஆகும் சாப்பிட்டாக்க. யூ கேன் மேக் துவையல். இட் இஸ் அ டைப் ஆஃப் சட்னி which you can eat with rice, and with anything you can eat that, or you can make a paste out of it and add it to the dosa batter. You can make dosa. So you eat it in some simple way and it is very helpful. Now I am going to make one tohayal, that is chutney, out of this. You have to remove these joints, jod. This will be so fibery. It is hard also. You have to remove like this. See, these joints, it won't taste good. You have to remove this much. It is in between. So you have to cut it into two pieces. From here to here, you have to cut and remove. Then it is easy to chew. If not, it will be so fibery. But it is very, very good for health. Do try this. See, for that I have taken some grated fresh coconut, that is 3 tablespoons grated fresh coconut, 7-8 pieces or 10 pieces you can say of this hadjod, perandai, salt, a very small piece of jaggery, good ya bellam. This is til, sesame, 5 red chilies, very small piece of like supari size, paaku kotta paaku size ku puli, tamarind. Imli is a must. This is black gram, that is udid dal, 2 tablespoons, some black pepper. Okay, further we have to proceed like this. Remove all the hard portions of this. We have to remove this much. We have to remove this hard portion, and first dry roast the sesame seeds, that is til. खाली कढ़ाई में भुनना है. வெறும் இருப்பு சட்டியில் வறுத்துக்கணும். Remove it. Add some oil to the pan. Fry this urid dal. black pepper. First put the black pepper, it will crackle. Then add urid dal. Then put the gas off and add the red chilies. Then put all the ingredients one by one into the jar. Keep it aside. You keep some more oil in the pan and shallow fry it. You have to shallow fry. Shallow fry means थोड़ा सा तेल डाल के उसको गरम करना है कढ़ाई में இலுப்பை சட்டியில் கொஞ்சமாக எண்ணெய் விட்டு வதக்கிக்கணும். Then add this and fresh coconut. Then make it as a chutney with some basic 1 or 2 teaspoon of water. It will become a good chutney. That is paranda tahayar. Okay, we will proceed. Put some oil. I am using sesame gingerly oil, that is nallanai. First, before adding oil, you have to dry roast. I have washed the til sesame, so I have only white sesame. If you have black one, you can use that also. You have to it has started crackling. That is enough. Put the stove off. Remove the dry roasted sesame seeds. People who know the value of this keep one pot of this Hadjod creeper in their flats. Even so, there are people who keep it as a crotons and they don't know the exact name or even the value of that, whether it is edible or not, that also they don't know. That is why I showed you a very big creeper. You can make out. It is nicely cooked. Let it cool for a while. Take this very small piece of tamarind and jaggery. Then salt and fresh coconut. Add the harjud also and add some water, 2-3 teaspoons water and make it as a chutney. I will show you. So the Harjod chutney, yeah, Paranda Tovayal in Tamil, is ready. This is a very easy form of cooking something from this Harjod, and tasty also. So this is a healthy food, herbal food. So do prepare it, eat it and be fit. Thank you.